Alright guys, I'm going to properly show you how to lay out a wall. Okay, this is your next assignment. So what I've done here, I've created a 10-inch wall. 0 to 10. I'm going to put a doorway right at the center of my wall. So first thing I want to do, make a line at 5, and my door is going to be 3 inches wide. So what I'm going to do is take half of my width of my door. I'm going to go 1.5 inches. I'm going to make a little mark here. Now for a doorway, you need a jack and a king. Okay, so I'm going to put a jack here and a king here. Now my stud thicknesses are 1/4 of an inch. Alright, remember that. 1/4 of an inch for stud thickness. So again, I go 1.5, gets me to half of 3 inches. I'll make a mark here for my jack, and then I put the two studs together. Jack and king. Okay, I've done the same thing for the top. I've made my marks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the king studs outside to outside. Outside line. I'm going to go ahead and draw the other line there beside it. Just like that. And the height of my door is going to be 5 inches. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure up. I'm going to put my 5 right here at the bottom, and I'm going to make a line at 0 to make 5 inches. I'm going to repeat that on the other side. I'm going to make a mark right here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect those lines. And that's the bottom edge of my lintel. Now my lintel I'm going to make, I'm going to go ahead and make it 1/2 an inch. Alright, so I'm going to draw my 1/2 inch mark, put my mark on the 1, and move over to 1/2. Repeat the process from the 1 to the 1/2. And there's my header. So what I got to draw now is my jack studs. So my jacks go underneath the header to support the header. Draw the same thing on the other side. And there's my king, my jack, my king, and the header. Okay. King studs, your jacks, and the header supporting it.